Are you a Nigerian? I have great news for you. Yes, so guess what? Google is giving out 75 million naira grants to business owners. Are you a business owner and you are based in Nigeria? Hey, or do you know someone that has a business? Or do you even have a business idea but you need money to fund your business idea? Guess what? I have great news for you. Google is issuing 75 million naira grants. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching all the way till the end. If you're new to this channel, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I want to know you. I want to meet you. What part of the world are you watching from? And if you're please consider subscribing to my channel. I mean, join the family. Don't you like this girl that you're seeing? On this channel, I share valuable information that helps you become a better version of yourself. I mean, this channel is the money channel. It's the when it comes to all things money, you are in the right place. So you're on the right plug. Yes. So if you need money, whether you want to make money online or you want or you want to make money from anywhere at all in the world, this is your channel. Okay, let me just go ahead and introduce myself while you guys introduce yourselves in the comments. My name is Mariam. I am a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. I live here in California and I drop 3 to 4 videos every week. Yeah, sometimes I drop 4 videos every week. So make it a date on this channel. Make sure that you turn on notification bells so that you get notified each time I drop a new video. So without further ado, guys, come with me. Let's go. Guys, you know I always say that money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. And the day you know where to look, you will never be broke again. Yes, so I said so. So guys, let's go. So guys, have you heard about Google's 75 million naira Hustle Academy SME fund? It is now open. Guys, application for Google's 75 million naira Hustle 75 million naira Hustle Academy SME fund is now open. They have officially opened the application process. Yes, so and these funds are accessible to small business owners in Nigeria. Guys, just so you know, this fund is actually devoid of any equity requirements, reaffirming Google's dedication to nurturing entrepreneurial growth within Nigeria. In case you don't understand, Google doesn't have any interest in obtaining part of the shares of your company. So when they give you the funds, when they give you the grants, it is for you and for you alone. They're not taking any part of your company. They're not, taking a 10% stake of your company or 1% or whatever. It is your money to do as you please. Yes, just in case you are confused as to what they mean by that statement. So this fund was actually introduced in 2022. Google's Hustle Academy provides SMEs with business and management education, mentoring and networking with a particular emphasis on preparing them to package their businesses in order to raise the necessary capital to take their businesses to the next level. Now, since its inception, the program has actually graduated over 4,000 SMBs in Nigeria, small to medium-sized businesses in Nigeria, with a notable 74% from the first year reporting marked business growth. Now, the Hustle Academy Fund is a testament to the resilience and innovation of Nigerian small businesses, which are the backbone of our economy. They are also hopeful that this fund will further empower them to succeed and drive economic growth, creating jobs and opportunities for all Nigerians. According to the head of the brand reputation, Mojola Oluwa Aderemi Makinde, she's the head of brand reputation Sub-Saharan Africa at Google. She echoed the sentiments Sub-Saharan Africa at Google. Now, echoing the sentiments, Simisola Nojimu Yusuf, the product marketing manager and the Hustle Academy program lead at Google, said that the Hustle Academy Fund provides SMBs with the resources and support that they need to succeed. Now, with equity-free funding, mentorship and opportunities for increased visibility and networking, they are supporting SMBs to actually grow and thrive. They are committed to supporting the Nigerian entrepreneurial ecosystem, and the Hustle Academy Fund is a key part of that commitment. Now, here is the eligibility criteria for this fund. Yes, these are the things that you need to put in place before you can apply for this fund. So come with me, guys, let's go. So number 1, you must be an SME formally registered and operating in Nigeria, and then your business should be between 1 to 7 years old. Your business must have digital enabled scalable products or services, and you must be a graduate of the Hustle Academy program. And businesses should also employ not more than 15 employees. As long as you don't have up to 15 employees, then you can apply for this grant. Then the business must have a clear growth plan and the ability to leverage the funds to achieve it. You must also show willingness to engage in mentorship and utilize Google's suite of tools and platforms. Now, applications for this Hustle Academy are open. They are currently open and they will be closing soon. Yes, so guys, so just so you know, Hustle Academy SME Fund in Nigeria is here to ensure impactful allocation, and the fund invites applications from visionary investor-ready SMEs operating within Nigeria, emphasizing businesses that have shown commitment to scalable and sustainable growth. Now, also note that they have prepared a brief questionnaire to better assess your eligibility for the fund, and it should take about 15 minutes or less of your time to complete. So they expect you to provide your honest response to the questions and be as detailed as much as possible. Now, only businesses that meet the eligibility criteria and above will be contacted for further information. Now, the information that you provide will be treated with utmost confidentiality. No one will get to know about it, and it will not be disclosed beyond application review team. As always, I have done all the homework for you. All you need to do right now is to go into the link in my description and begin to apply for this grant as quickly as possible. On this channel, I share with you guys various resources, free money for your small businesses, free money from rich people. Yes, I also made a video where you can request for money for free from people that are wealthy, whether for your medical expenses or travel expenses and what have you. If you need me to put the link I'll put the link right here. Yes, head over to this link here and watch the video. Yes, where rich people actually give you money, and I also share a lot of grants information as well on my channel. Now, let me know. I have a question for you guys. If you want to see more of free money on my channel, please let me know. And if you also want to see more of ways to make money online, where you have to put in some work, or passive ways to make money online, please let me know as well in the comments. Guys, I'm constantly doing researches for you guys day and night, and just so you know, there are no stupid questions, so feel free to ask your questions and I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you right here on this channel. And if you need me to do a research tailored to your specifications as well, please leave it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to do all of these researches for you guys. And if you're interested in joining my affiliate business or affiliate marketing, send me an email. You find my email in the link in my description as well. Yes, when you make a sale, you also make a cut from this from doing business with me. Yes, and if you're interested in that, the link is right there. Send me an email and I'll forward the information to you. Yes, you can make money this year. Yes, so nothing stops you from making money. Yeah, we're all here to win and win real big. So yes, so guys, on this note, if you have watched this video till this point and you have not subscribed to my channel yet, Biko, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Join the family. Don't you like this girl that you're seeing? Join the family, and also let me know where you're watching from. I want to know you. I want to meet you for real, like for real. I want to know you guys. Yes, what part of the world are you watching from? I want to know you guys. All right, I will see you in my next video, but till then, keep winning and keep sparkling. And if no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing, you are gorgeous, you're sweet, and I am super duper proud of you. All right guys, take care of yourselves and go to exploit, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.